Welcome to the CVIS training for sponsor officials. This training will facilitate your understanding of the role of a responsible officer or an alternate responsible officer as related to the administration, maintenance, and management of the Exchange Visitor Program and Exchange Visitor and Spouse Dependent Records in CVIS. In this video, we will discuss making updates to TIP information on an Exchange Visitor's record. This presentation does not replace the Exchange Visitor Program regulations found in Title 22, Part 62 of the Code of Federal Regulations. For detailed guidance on the Exchange Visitor Program, visit j1visa.state.gov. We will now demonstrate how to update TIP information on an Exchange Visitor record. The TIP information block displays at the bottom of the record. It contains basic TIP information and provides links for managing it. Names of the sites and phases are links to read-only site and phase pages. Clicking on the Manage Sites and Phases link opens the TIP Overview page. All fields are editable in draft or initial status before visa issuance. After visa issuance, the TIP fields are locked, but may be edited after validation. The TIP Overview page allows the user to update TIP information, add sites and phases, duplicate phases, edit phase dates, and print the TIP. Additional participant information is a link to the Form DS-7002 Participant Information page. Clicking the link with the site name opens the read-only Form DS-7002 Site of Activity page, which has control buttons to edit or delete the site. This is the Form DS-7002 Site of Activity page. It has both Delete Site and Edit Site buttons. A site of activity can only be deleted when records are in draft or initial status before a visa has been issued. The primary site of activity can never be deleted. Clicking the Edit Site button opens the Add Edit Form DS-7002 Site of Activity page. This is the Add Edit Form DS-7002 Site of Activity page. Signature dates for all phase supervisors for the site can be entered from this page. Clicking the phase name link on the TIP Overview page opens the Read-Only View Phase page. We zoom in on a paragraph that contains approximately 3,000 characters, the limit for each of the text fields on this page. The page has Edit Phase and Delete Phase buttons. Note that a phase can only be deleted prior to the phase start date. Now we will demonstrate how updating program dates affects TIP information. Any event that changes the program begin and/or program end date will create a time period that is not covered by the phases. That is why events such as amend program, shorten program, extend program within the maximum duration of participation, correct CVIS status, and correct minor or technical infraction take the user through the Review Dates page, where phase dates must be adjusted before the changes can be submitted. Let's look at the amend program event. Both the program begin date and the program end date are updated, and clicking the Amend Program button opens the Review Dates page. The validation error message on the TIP Review Dates page will display the time gaps, which makes updating phase dates easier. Clicking the Submit button completes the process and opens the Update Successful page. Thank you for watching. For more information and other training videos, visit the j1visa.state.gov website.